This is the time for us to struggle more, not less. This is the time for us to organize more, not less. For precedent is not precedent, and law is not law. We know that struggle is still struggle, and this is the time for struggle. I've often wondered why more activists have not used the Amnesty International report on my case more. Was this because of their radical critique of Amnesty's bourgeois origins? If so, then this is an error that does not bear repeating. For within it, you see clearly and documented how law is not law and precedent is not precedent. That when it comes to my case, new rules are required. And if law be not law, then the only word to call it is politics. And where politics is waged, there too must struggle. I say to you in Kwame Ture's words, organize, organize, organize. Many of us still dwell under the misconception that the law was applied equally to all, and even neutrally. We can no longer labor under this misapprehension. That the recent court results came in the same season as the Citizens United opinion should leave us no room for such an illusion. Citizens United did far more than its commentators suggest when they say it reversed over 60 years of precedent. Law professors like Ronald Morgan have been critical of both the analysis and the overt politics which led to that decision. But readers of Jailhouse Lawyers know that the very precedent upon which that decision rested was not precedent at all. In Santa Clara versus Pacific Railroad, circa 1886, one finds precedents for the position that corporations are persons in law. But in fact, when you read the case, it says no such thing. In a classic case of legal leisure demand, the court clerk wrote into the headnotes a doctrine that did not exist in the opinion itself. And any first-year law student will tell you the headnotes of a case is not law. It is but a summary that is provided that has no judicial power or force. Yet over a century later, we see this doctrine not just reaffirmed, but broadened, deepened, strengthened. For have we not said that precedent is not precedent and law is not law? So though corporations are given all of the protections of personhood and even political power, people like you and me are given the back of the hand. But I assure you finally that the struggle continues, both in court and out of court, for wrongs done and rights denied for these many years. I thank you for being part of the struggle. On a move, I love you all, your brother, Mumia.